Right now I am at Hobo Springs in Waukesha, Wisconsin. So back in the late 1800s, across the country, we had this craze about natural spring water and their curative effects, and that brought lots of people from Milwaukee, about 20 miles, not even 20 miles to the east of here. It brought them out to the springs of Waukesha, but they kind of lost the craze in the early 1900s, and this place was lost to the public knowledge. And then in the 1990s, they relocated it. So here's one of the springs. There had been several, and in 1997, 98, 99, they refurbished all this, and it's nice cool water. I don't have a thermometer, but I'll put in the high 60s, as opposed to walking in another river yesterday when I was fishing that seemed like that was in the low 70s. I didn't even cool off when I was fishing yesterday. So just the city remembering its historical purpose and the importance of fresh water. Thanks everybody.